basement floor is now covered with 2 inches of insulation. It's a Dow Blue Board, which has a factor of R10. It's 2 inches thick. On top of this, prior to pouring the concrete, will go a layer of notice that you have gravel, then you have 2 inches of foam insulation, then you have a vapor barrier, and then you have concrete 4 inches away. A small but very important part of sealing the house. 50% of all heat loss can be from air infiltration. So the carpenter here is cutting out for the sill plate, a single plate, but under the plate there will be 2 layers of this foam insulation, and that will prevent any air from leaking from inside the house to out, or actually the other way also. But it'll seal this house up. The major spot for air infiltration is the sill plate, under the sill plate, between the concrete and the sill. Even a simple thing like cleaning the top of the sill off from any debris is important. You notice their pressure-treated wood is used for that sill plate, the layer between the concrete and the foundation and the walls of the home. So now we're complete putting our 2 layers of foam sealant, and now the sill plate, made of pressure-treated wood, will go on, and then that will be bolted down. Notice all of the bolts coming out of the top of the foundation wall. We're here with Dan, the owner of D&D Contractors. And Dan is installing furring strips on the interior of the basement wall so that we can attach the R20 polyiso insulation to the interior of the foundation wall. If you notice down at the base where Dan is working that there is a strip of insulation that provides space between the exterior foundation wall and the interior basement poured concrete floor. In case any moisture was to build up behind the insulation, it has a place to flow down through the insulation to the gravel underneath the floor.